Now to a WSLS health team investigation. Thousands of cases of hepatitis C have been reported in the New River Valley in the last 10 years. There has been such an increase that leaders in the health community are working hard to prevent its spread through education. What's scary about hepatitis C is that often a person has no symptoms until the liver is scarred and a cirrhosis diagnosis is made. Let's go to the New River Valley now for the truth behind what's causing many of those cases and how easily they can be prevented. Chris Toller is a Virginia licensed tattoo artist in Blacksburg at Danny's world-famous ancient art studio.
For the most part, I feel like people just, when it comes to placement, they just pick a part of their body that they would like to accentuate, whether it means they're not happy with it now or that's the strongest point of their body.
Shops like this aren't what have leaders at the Montgomery County Department of Health concerned, but homemade tattoo guns like this and unlicensed tattoo artists are a major focus because of a dramatic increase in hepatitis C cases. Dr. Molly Odell is the director of the New River Health District.
Hepatitis C happens to be the most frequently reported disease of all communicable diseases in New River, second to gonorrhea and chlamydia.
Going back to 2004 to the present, we've had over 10,000 cases of hepatitis C reported.
When you look at the number of reported diseases in the western part of Virginia, 25% of them are hepatitis C. But when you break that down to the New River Valley, that number goes up dramatically to 39%. And the New River Valley Health District includes the city of Radford, Floyd, Pulaski, Giles, and Montgomery counties.
There are hepatitis C cases all over New River Valley.
But three of the hot spots in 2012, Giles and Pulaski counties, along with Floyd. And it turns out many of the cases are related to tattoo parties using homemade guns. This example is a battery-operated toothbrush with a mechanical pencil tip, add a sharpened guitar string and ink, and that's it.
We found that in 2012, of 135 cases of hepatitis C that gave us information about tattooing, we had 39 of them admitting to getting a tattoo from an unlicensed artist.
This can't be run efficiently.
In addition to homemade tools, Toller explains some companies will sell tattoo starter kits to anyone who will buy them.
With the people that are doing these tattoo parties, kitchens and basements, that's not really so much the case. They normally have their hands on a legitimate tattoo machine. It's a basic machine, cheap machines.
We checked and found that Toller and Danny's Ancient Art both do not have any complaints, current or past, and perhaps the attention to detail is why.
Anything less than this, I wouldn't consider a fully sanitary workspace. Any kind of equipment or materials that are touched during the process of the tattoo are always wrapped in barrier film.
In the New River Valley, the top three risk factors for the disease, in addition to non-licensed tattoo artists, are IV drug use or more than 10 sex partners. The health department says if you're getting a tattoo, get it from a licensed tattoo artist and do your homework or you may have a long treatment ahead. Hepatitis C requires a full year of treatments. Side effects from the medicines can be debilitating. Imagine having the flu for a year. Some people stop taking the medicine. Carilion Clinic's Dr. Thomas Kirkering explains new treatments are now available.
In the last month or two, there have been 2 new drugs approved by the FDA, and there are more that are coming down the line.
There are 6 different types of hepatitis C. Older medicines have a 75 to 80% cure rate. The newer kind have a 90 to 95% cure rate.
The problem with the new drugs is that they are extremely expensive. And so we have to work with insurance companies now to try to get them to cover those costs.
A cost that is far more expensive than that associated with a licensed tattoo artist with a good reputation.